Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. Today we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 2 Vector Calculus. So the question is, find the angle between the following pairs of curves. So two curves are given here, r equals to sin theta plus cos theta, and second one is r equals to 2 sin theta. So we have to find the angle between these two curves. So first we go for first curve. So taking log on both sides, log r equals to log sin theta plus cos theta. To differentiate this term with respect to theta, so 1 by r dr over d theta, so 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta, and sin theta differentiation is cos theta, and cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. So 1 by r dr over theta, which is equal to cos theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. So this is nothing but cot phi 1, which is equal to cos theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. So in this whole numerator we can take at cos theta as a common, so which is 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Like that, from the denominator we can take it as cos theta common, so cos theta is sin theta divided by cos theta plus 1, so this will cancel out. So cot phi 1, which is equal to sin theta is by cos theta is tan theta, so 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. So here this is the identity, we can write it as cot pi by 4 plus theta, so which is equal to cot phi 1, which is equal to cot pi by 4 plus theta. So phi 1, which is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. This is our first curve. Now go for second, r equals to 2 sin theta. So r equals to 2 sin theta, again we take log on both sides, log r equals to log 2 sin theta, which is log 2 plus log sin theta. So log r equals to log 2 plus log sin theta. Now differentiate this one with respect to theta, so 1 by r dr over d theta, this is constant, so the differentiation is 0 plus 1 by sin theta, and sin theta differentiation is cos theta, which is this is nothing but cot phi 2, which is equal to cos theta by sin theta, which is equal to cot theta. So cot phi 2, which is equal to cot theta, so phi 2 equals to theta. So angle between two curves is phi 1 minus phi 2, which is equal to, what is the value of phi 1? Pi by 4 plus theta, so which is pi by 4 plus theta minus theta, this will cancel out, this is pi by 4. So angle between two curves is pi by 4. This is our final answer. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.